to win election for Nigeria not easy. Like me, if I don't raise the money I do give, I will not contest again. Because money dealt with me in the election. But I told the electorate, these same Nigerians that said they want new heaven. I went to every community to beg them that, look, let's change this thing. Because these guys are taking our money and going home. And I proffered a solution for agriculture, for power, for everything. I was everywhere talking about it. I went to every community. The same people took 20, 30, 40, 5,000 naira and voted against. The people that you want to say, now they're the ones calling me to give them money. How now? So when people say we want to solve Nigerian problem, that's not correct. They are just wanting to use rhetoric. So a team they have put together, we are having issues left, right, center. Some of them didn't come with the same mindset. That's why you are seeing these problems. But we as young people, we have students here, we have entrepreneurs here, we have all kinds of groups here. People who do their own thing. What is affecting us in our own area? So we can put on the table and say, look, Mr. President, we believe that you should do this. You have done this one, but do this one. Let's give you the time to do it. So instead of us coming to complain, on agriculture, what do? I think that they closed the borders, and because they closed the borders because of security issues, you now stop food that used to come in from West Africa to service Nigeria market. So tomato that used to come in from Cote d'Ivoire and all those places no longer comes in. Rice no longer comes in. When they flood in, because Nigeria is a huge market, you see the competition, the healthy competition reduces the price. So you see all the crisis in Northwest. Why didn't it affect food all these years? It's because the border countries, I hope I'm not taking too much. It's because the border countries are supporting our economy. Goat, for instance. Niger brings in all the goat. We agree that these borders created a lot of security issues, but that is supposed to be the job of the security personnel. They have been given all kinds of support by this president. They should do their job. But open the borders, let food come in. I think this is my own opinion. I'm sure people have more things to say about it. Can't we do that? Why is it that we are all doing IMF? The people who sit down somewhere and design a policy for Nigeria. I think that our current president is swallowing hook, line, and sinker too much of World Bank policy textbook theories that have not proven any good thing in our lives. Those are the things that I think we should interrogate and put on the table of this president, because we don't want the calamity. If other people are doing it on social media, it happened in Kenya, we are shooting with police, giri, giri, giri. Now we'll never see problem. Now it is sweeter for here. I have been through the thick and thin of crisis in the Niger Delta. So I understand when you are afraid, the great curfew here, you can't do your business. Everybody now is going to the market to buy. If even here why they are not going to waste too much time, they need to go buy food. You don't know what will happen. That alone, we have already been injurious to ourselves.